Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Are you Jamaican or something?
Yeah,
Oh
Jamaica.
my god, you are Jamaican. Only Jamaican wear those hats. Jamaican me crazy, man. You get it. Can you speak Jamaican? Say something in Jamaican. I love the language. It's so Jamaican.
In Jamaica, we don't speak Jamaican. It's called patois.
How's it going, man? Is everything Irie, man? Do Jamaicans really say man after everything?
Just trying to get some work done. We talk later, alright?
Which part of Jamaica are you from? Let me guess. Right near the beach, man. Do you smoke weed?
Smoke weed? No.
How much weed do you smoke a day? Like it's legal down there, right?
Me smoke? No. What you talking?
I had this one black friend, and I thought he was from there, but he never smoked weed, and I was like, well, you can't really be Jamaican. And then he said he was like from Africa or something. But I mean, Africa, Jamaica, isn't that, pretty much the same thing? Have you ever heard of snow, frost, winter, ice, black ice? I'm really not trying to make up like a black joke. I mean, it's not really black anyway. They should just call it Kristen Stewart ice. That girl's so white. She was any whiter, she'd be see-through. Jamaica, we have a bobsled team. So cool. Oh my god, Cool Runnings is like my favorite movie since the beginning of time. It was so good. It made me feel like I was on vacation, and their accents were so legit, especially Senka. Oh my god.
Okay, lady. Alright, just stop it for a little bit, no man. Asking me so much blinking question. Me I try to finish the work, cause me no want get deported back to Jamaica. So please lock your jaw and make me get back to my work. You might just run like sick baby nose hole. What you gonna ask me next? Do I know Bob Marley? Bob Marley dead. In him grave.
Bob Marley? What's that?